And I'm Dad.
And today we are going to be telling you about a time where we went to
The Spring Creek Greenway Nature Center.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel and press the bell once you've subscribed for notifications. And most of all, enjoy. Let's take a look at some of the animals they have. So let's start over here. We have ring-necked doves named Peach and Pumpkin.
Oh, hi Peach, hi Pumpkin. Oh, you guys are cute. Oh, they're so cute. Hi.
Okay, so if we go across the way, we have an American alligator, cypress, and Cupido.
He's lounging, taking a nap. He's like, look, this is my pillow rock. And he is swimming. He's like, swimming time. Swimming time. Ooh, he's looking at us. He's looking right at us. Here he comes. Hi. Hello. Hi, Mr. Alligator. Look, he likes the camera. He is not camera shy at all. Oh, I moved. He's not very happy about that. Okay, where's next, Ray?
Let's go over here to one of my favorites. This is a bearded dragon named Colonel Honey Dijon Mustard III. He's cute.
Okay, what else do we have? Oh, he's cool. Let's see if I can get around and see him better. Hi, Colonel Honey Dijon Mustard III. Oh, that's making me hungry.
Well, in here we have a cane toad named Pirate. Right now he's actually in the box.
Oh, I wonder if they're clean. Yes, it's going to be hard to see in there. All right, so unfortunately you can't see him.
So yeah.
Oh, I was going camera shy. There you go. Buford, Bonnie, and Clyde. Oh, look, they're all in there. Oh, that's cool.
Our native tarantula, Tina, and then one from Arizona, Bitsy, an Arizona desert blonde tarantula.
Oh,
You didn't name the black widow.
She has a name, but it's not on her tag. We're redoing her tag. I'm not quite sure what they named her. But yeah, she's pretty cool.
She's definitely showing off. Sometimes it's hard to see the hourglass and you can see it really clearly.
Black Widow. And Pringles, somebody obviously likes potato chips.
Well, I can't remember how Pringles got his name.
That's awesome.
So this is a corn snake named Maisie.
So they have a lot of reptiles here, which is really neat. So this place is free to come, and we'll have to get the hours for you. Ooh. This says venomous animal. Ray, what's this one?
This is an eastern black-tailed rattlesnake.
Ooh, ooh. Look at that rattlesnake. Oh, that's so cool. And scary. Her name is Sonora. Ah, this one is a Texas rat snake named Linguini. Do you think he has a little mouse friend named Ratatouille? This is Pirate, the giant toad. Look at the size of this toad. I don't know if I can get it because of the reflection, but that's a toad in there. Look at him. Or her. Gigantic.
I think he's missing an eye and that's why his name is Pirate.
Oh, he's missing an eye, so he's a rescue also. As we said earlier, a lot of these animals are rescues here. But then they're able to share them with people so they can learn, yeah, he's missing an eye. So they call him Pirate. Oh, he's awesome. How cool is that? And there's Colonel Dijon Mustard again. Yeah, Colonel Dijon Mustard.
Birds. I've never seen
Western
birds.
White-nosed lantern.
Well, doves eat a lot of seeds, so they'll eat seeds from plants or, you know, like the plants that grow like on the ground. So they'll eat seeds from pretty much anything. So it's not uncommon to see them on the ground. Like,
Well, we thought they were maybe nesting because it was sit in our garden for hours, and we couldn't find a nest or anything. But
No, they typically nest up in the trees, but they will eat seeds like off the ground if something has fallen from like a bird feeder or from like, you know, various like bushes and stuff. If seeds have fallen and
Okay guys, so we're going to be checking out the next part of the Nature Center. So we have an American alligator.
Look at the size of its mouth, Ray. Wow. You don't want to get bitten by that. What do I see over here? I'm so excited.
We got some rocks.
I got rocks. Yay. So this nature center not only has live animals, but it's got stuffed versions of animals that rescued live animals. And they have a bunch of different rocks in here too. They talk about rocks in the area. Here's some petrified wood. Here's a coprolite or fossilized turtle poop. Huh. I'll walk around this. Oh, there's an interactive. Let's go check out the interactive screen, Ray. Let me finish going on this. These ammonites. Ray and I found some really cool ammonites while we were out in Wimberley, Texas, and we'll have to do a video on those at some point. Lots of neat stuff, lots of fossils, and they go over other types of rocks.
Guys, so here they have a little interactive screen and we're going to show you how it works. So let's do a screen owl. And it shows you some fun facts and things about it.
And they have two screens, so if there's two kiddos going, I guess, can you touch that one too and see if we can get some? Oh, it's so bobcats. Awesome. So here's Lynx rufus. I think I'm going to name my cat that next time I get a cat. Lynx rufus. That's kind of fun. And there's their range. The purple is where they live. So you can come here and learn all kinds of stuff. So fun facts. Bobcats are the most abundant wild cat in North America. When they pounce, they can leap up to 3 meters in length. 3 meters, so it's about 3 feet per meter. So a meter's almost like a yard. So it's about 9 feet, 10 feet. That's pretty crazy. They can reach speeds up to 50 kph. Whoa. And then eastern screech owls are so cute. They used to have 2 of them here, and now unfortunately they only have 1. Eastern screech owls are attracted to yards of owl boxes, and they're the small species of owl here in Montgomery County where we live.
A bunch of books over here and just some displays on some animals, so let's go check it out.
So a mushroom walks into a restaurant, and the restaurant owner says, "You can't stay here." And then the mushroom says, "But wait, I'm a fun guy." Ba-dum-bum. All right. So they have books here for kids. So these are, kids can take a look at different nature books. They have a bunch of hands-on features as well as a big screen TV where they talk about information about the area. So oh, look at all the tracks. Turtle shells. And so you can come here and touch the different kinds of turtle and tortoise shells. And they have a deer skull you can check out. And they have a bunch of other skulls down here too. So you can learn about different types of animals that live in the area. So they have so many neat displays here. Here they have the types of animal tracks with the types of animal and their skulls, so you can get an idea of their size. That is so cool. That is really interesting. Raccoons look like they have big prints for a small head, though. That's what's interesting. And there looks like their paw print size is close to the same size as the coyote's, a little bigger. But look how much bigger the coyote head is. And here's a bunch of antlers. It's a white-tailed deer. Cow spine. Oh, and if we come over to this next case, they have different types of feathers. And so you can come here if you ever find a feather, and you can figure out what kind of feather you found. So here are blue jay feathers, and mockingbird feathers, and look at the hawk feathers, and vulture feathers, and woodpecker feathers up there. And then they have things on nests, and on birds in these as well. Oh, and on the other side, they have turtle shells. So we have a number of turtles that live here in this area. I see them when I walk or run all the time. Ooh, a snake skeleton. Ooh, that's cool. A lizard skeleton. A frog skeleton. So this is a great place to come. It's free. And it's open Monday through Saturday. All right. So they have a nature play area as well here, and I guess kids can learn. What do you see, Ray? There's little picnic tables,
Little acorn chairs.
little acorn chairs. Oh, those are cute. Those little acorn chairs. Okay, what bird do you have a wingspan of, Ray? What is that? A blue heron?
Yeah, I think I'm a little small.
What has the biggest or largest wingspan?
I think it's a bald eagle.
Maybe look
Or
at the
California condor.
California condor, right? And how big is that? Its wingspan?
It's 9 feet.
9 feet. That's huge. What's got the smallest wingspan?
Probably the bee hummingbird.
The bee hummingbird. Where's he? Oh, look, you guy. This is neat. So kids can come up here and put their arms up and compare their arm length to the length of a bird's wingspan. That is really cool.
Yeah, it's got this here.
I always knew Ray was a nut. Ba-dum-bum.
But
Ba-dum.
Hi, welcome to the Pinecone Cafe. How can I help you?
Yes, hi. I would like to buy one pine cone, please.
Okay, that'll be one leaf. Choose your pine cone, and then I'll give it to you at this.
I would like this pine cone, please.
Yes, meet me at the next window.
I will meet you at the next window.
Here is your serve of one pine cone.
And look, it's got a garnish of pine needles. Thank you very much. I will be back for these wonderful pine cones.
Have a nice day.
Made it across the bridge. Were there any trolls under the bridge? No, but there's a broken board. You can make music with that.
Hey, it's not.
All right, so they have a number of nature trails here also, which we highlighted on the video. And so this nature trail that we're at right by the nature center goes down to Spring Creek River, and we'll have to go down there another time and show you guys that area. Back to civilization! Yay!
Okay guys, so that was our time at the Nature Center. We had a lot of fun there. I love seeing the animals and being able to learn about them. It was great. I definitely recommend going there.
Yeah, so I thought the animals, the fact that they rescue animals and you can get up close to the animals, if you like reptiles, there's a lot of reptiles, including venomous snakes, which I thought was really cool. I didn't expect that. There's also the bones exhibits and track exhibits and rock exhibits, which I thought were really neat. One thing we didn't get to do as much of is hiking. There's a number of trails in the area that you can go hike around. Look for our point of view videos, and we're going to be doing some of those trails and posting them on there.
Yeah, please subscribe to our channel. Once you subscribe, press the bell for notifications and make sure to like this video. And most of all, enjoy.